If you're on food stamps and EBT, pay attention. I have 3 important SNAP changes and updates that I want to bring to your attention. The first one has to do with food stamps deposit dates for all 50 states for November 2024. And I am going to give you the exact dates your EBT benefits are going to hit your account. And then I'm going to talk about 3 EBT discounts that you should be using that you may probably not be aware that they exist. This is going to be helpful for a lot of people. And finally, if you were affected by Hurricane Milton and Helene, pay attention. I have disaster SNAP information for you. So let's jump right into the update. So the first one is the November 2024 food stamps deposit date by state. So when are your SNAP benefits going to be deposited into your account? Well, let's get a few highlights out of the way. The maximum benefits for a family of 5 is about $1,158. The average benefit is, however, $845. So I'm going to show you the maximum table for all family sizes, and that means that what you're seeing is the maximum benefit. And benefits, I'm going to show you, includes the cost of living adjustment, which took effect on October 1st, 2024. Now, obviously, you know, SNAP benefits are overseen by the United States Department of Agriculture, Food and Nutrition Service, but they are managed by each state's food stamps agency. So what I'm about to tell you is state specific, and so listen out for your own state. Now, here are the maximum benefits, and we do have a calculator on our Food Stamps Now website, foodstampsnow.com, that gives you everything you need to know about how to calculate how much you're going to get. But if you're currently on food stamps for 2024-2025, starting in October 1st, a family of 1 gets $292, a family of 2 gets a maximum benefit of $536, a family of 3 is $768, a family of 4 is $975, a family of 5 is $1,158, a family of 6 is $1,390, a family of 7 is $1,536, and a family of 8 is $1,756. So that's how much you are going to get in maximum benefit. 35% of all SNAP recipients get the maximum benefit. So let's look at your schedule. So food stamps are distributed between the 1st and the 28th of each month. Payments vary by state. And so some states have a single date, like Alaska, where they pay everything. And then other states have split benefits over a certain period of time. Now, benefits are compatible with Social Security, SSI, SSDI. So people who are on Social Security and disability benefits can still apply for food stamps if they are eligible. A lot of people on Social Security, especially seniors, are shy or hesitant to apply for food stamps. But here's the thing about food stamps. It's an entitlement benefit. So everybody that is eligible for benefits and applies will be approved. So you're not taking benefit from anybody if you apply. So let's look at the payment schedule. So for single day distribution, the states that pay all their benefits in one day, we have Alaska on the 1st of the month, New Hampshire on the 5th of the month, North Dakota on the 1st of the month, Rhode Island on the 1st, and Vermont on the 1st. Now let's go to the states that pay between the 1st and the 10th. Now, California is between the 1st of the month to the 10th. Colorado is the 1st to the 10th. Connecticut from the 1st to the 3rd. Idaho between the 1st and the 10th of the month. Illinois between the 1st and the 10th. Kansas between the 1st and the 10th. Nevada between the 1st and the 10th. And New Jersey between the 1st and the 5th of the month. And then you have Oregon between the 1st and the 9th. South Carolina between the 1st and the 10th. Virginia between the 1st and the 7th. Wyoming between the 1st and the 4th. DC between the 1st and the 10th. Guam between the 1st and the 10th. And the U.S. Virgin Islands on the 1st. Now let's look at the mid-range states, those who pay between the 1st and the 15th. Arizona is between the 1st and the 13th of the month. Arkansas between the 4th and the 13th. Hawaii between the 3rd and the 5th. Maine between the 3rd and the 14th, the 10th and the 14th actually. Massachusetts between the 1st and the 14th. And Minnesota between the 4th and the 13th. Montana between the 2nd and the 6th. Nebraska between the 1st and the 5th. South Dakota on the 10th, Utah between the 5th, 11th, and 15th, West Virginia between the 1st and the 9th, and then Wisconsin between the 1st and the 15th. And then finally, extended states, people who pay over a long period of time during the month. We have Alabama from the 4th to the 23rd, Delaware from the 2nd to the 23rd. You have Florida between the 1st and the 28th, Georgia the 5th to the 23rd, Indiana between the 5th and the 23rd, Kentucky the 1st and the 19th, Louisiana the 1st and the 23rd, Maryland the 4th and the 23rd, Michigan the 3rd and the 21st, Mississippi the 4th and the 21st, Missouri the 1st and the 22nd, and you have New Mexico between the 1st and the 20th, New York the 1st and the 9th, North Carolina between the 3rd and the 21st, Ohio between the 2nd and the 20th, Oklahoma between the 1st and the 10th, Pennsylvania the first business day, the first 10 business days of the month, and Tennessee the 1st and the 20th, Texas the 1st and the 28th, Washington the 1st and the 20th, and then Puerto Rico the 4th and the 23rd. I think I've covered all states and territories. So here are some things you need to think about. Obviously, food stamps, you have to be approved to receive benefits if you qualify. Millions of Americans are eligible but haven't applied, especially seniors, as I mentioned. Benefit can be used to purchase healthy food, approved healthy food, or approved eligible foods at eligible locations. So I'm talking grocery stores, farmers market, drug stores, convenience stores. All these places have approved foods that you can buy with your food stamps EBT card. So check your state's specific schedule. And as I mentioned, the maximum benefits is what I showed you. Your individual benefit is going to be based on your income and your household situation. Now let's get to the second thing. If you are new to this channel and you like what you're hearing, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, because all we do at Food Stamps Now is bring you the latest news and information that affects your food stamps and EBT benefits, both in and out of Congress. Anything that is coming up the pike, we want to let you know. So let's get into these EBT discounts that I'm talking about. So these are 3 EBT discounts that a lot of people do not take advantage of but should. The first one is discounted free laundry service. So there's an organization called Laundry Love. It's a non-profit that washes clothes and bedding for low-income families and individuals across the United States. They brighten the lives of thousands of people through love, dignity, and detergent by partnering with a diverse group of laundromans nationwide. Laundry Love initiative helps people struggling financially by assisting them with their laundry. That is an important service. And their whole philosophy is they want to bring some dignity. So to get free laundry assistance, find an eligible Laundry Love location near you. You have to go to their website, laundrylove.org/locations. Put in your zip code and you'll find locations near you. The next one is the discounted Lyft transportation through Lyft app access program. Millions of people lack transportation to basic needs because they cannot get a ride. And the Lyft app initiative is working to make sure that everyone has access to affordable, reliable transportation to get where they need to go, no matter their age, income, zip code, or postal code. Currently, they offer the following programs. People who are trying to get jobs access, grocery access, bike share access, voting access, disaster response, and access alliance. So to qualify, you must provide your reason for eligibility, your name, email, birth date, and phone number. Now, reasons for eligibility could include that you are eligible or currently receive one of the following programs: SNAP benefits, Medicaid, reduced rate utility bill, that is CARE in California, free or reduced school lunch programs, reduced transit fare program, Social Security supplemental income. So if you are on SSI, which is the supplemental security income, you are eligible. Special supplemental nutrition program for women, infants, and children called WIC, federal subsidized housing or Section 8, and the Pell Grant recipient. To date, Lyft app has provided an estimated 4.6 million discounted or donated ride share, bike share, or share scooter rides to help under-resourced communities. To participate in Lift Up, visit their website and select the right program you would like to utilize. You'll be directed to the page where you can follow the instructions on how to get transportation help. Go to lyft.com/liftup/programs. And then the last discount or free program that EBT card holders are eligible for, which I'm excited to share, is the free eye exam and eyeglasses through VSP Vision Eye of Hope. So the VSP Vision Eye of Hope provides access to no-cost eye care, eyewear, and disaster relief in places where it's needed the most. Basically, they're trying to reduce barriers of income, distance, and disaster to provide equitable access to eye care and eyewear where it's needed. I mean, you can imagine if you cannot see well, or you need eyewear or eye care, and you don't have one or cannot afford it, that can be a pretty big deal. I mean, it can be the difference between your ability to function at work, your ability to move around, your ability to be able to support your family or help the people you need in your household. And so it's a big deal. So today they've provided access to no-cost vision care for more than 3.8 million people in need. If you don't have access or cannot afford vision care, adults or children can access a free eye exam and glasses at no cost. Eye of Hope offers gift certificates, mobile clinics, and disaster relief to those in need of eye care at any age. To qualify, here's what you need to know. Your family income has to be about 200% of the federal poverty level. You do not currently have a coverage from a private insurance or government program for eye exam or prescription eyewear, and you haven't received care through the VSP program during the last 12 months. Their gift certificates provides coverage for comprehensive eye exam and a complete pair of prescription glasses with single vision or aligned multifocal lenses. Gift certificates are distributed through their national network of community partners, and students through 19 years of age can contact their school nurses, and administration can request a VSP Eyes of Hope gift certificate through one of their educational partners, including the National Association of School Nurses. And adults and children of any age can contact their community partners, which include Prevent Blindness and National Association of Community Health Center locations, or Unidos US, and let them know you need vision care. And for more information, contact Eyes of Hope directly to find out how they can receive eye care or eyeglasses, or you can call them at 800-877-7195, or visit their website at vspvision.com/eye-off-hope, and you will get the help that you need. So, what do you think of these EBT discounts? Is this something that you're going to take advantage of? I want to hear from you which one you are going to sign up for right now. Comment below. I want to hear from you. And let's get to the third thing about disaster food stamps. If you've been impacted by Hurricane Helene and Milton, I mean, those have been devastating to a lot of communities, and you live in the state of Florida, I have good news. The state of Florida has the Disaster SNAP program, and it's on their website, and eligible counties are ready to apply. Basically, the program has been rolled out. The president has approved the funds, and it's ready to go. But as you can see, there's a lot of information, so we've distilled it into bite size so that you know exactly what to do to apply. So the program is called Disaster Supplemental Nutritional Assistance Program, or DSNAP, responding to Hurricane Helene and Milton in Florida, administered by the USDA with the state government. So the state of Florida is running this. And the purpose is to provide nutritional support to disaster-affected residents. Approximately 407,000 people affected in Florida in 24 counties. So let's take a look at what's going on. So, to qualify, you must be a resident of the affected counties, must have been directly affected by Hurricane Helene or Milton, and your income requirements must also be met. You must provide your Social Security, proof of residence, and documentation of disaster-related losses. So this is going to be rolled out in phases. Phase 1 is for October 28th to December 9th, and it's for the counties of Franklin, Lafayette, Jefferson, Gilchrist, Dixie, Columbia, Levy, Taylor, Suwannee, Hamilton, Madison, and Wakulla. And pre-registration is from 27th of October to the 31st. And then you can register by telephone from the 28th to the 31st. And then there's phase 2 from November 4th to December 15th is for the counties of Pasco, Manatee, Hernando, Sarasota, and Charlotte. For those counties, pre-registration is from November 3rd to the 8th, and telephone dates are from November 4th to November 6th, and then November 8th. And then phase 3 is from November 12th to December the 15th. And for counties of Hillsborough, Highland, Hardy, Citrus, Lee, and Volusia. So for those counties, the application methods, application registration is from Monday, November 11th to the November 15th, and the telephone dates are from November 12th to November the 15th. Obviously, you have to provide information, your personal information to get approved, your social security number, your residency proof and disaster-related losses, and you must report damage or losses and submit completed application and await benefits. Now, if you've lost money through, you're currently on SNAP, and your food went bad, there's also help for you to not only get help through the disaster, but you can also get help from food that you've lost because it got destroyed in the hurricane or because the power went out and your food was destroyed. So that's what I wanted to bring you today. If you have any questions about anything I've covered at all, let me know in the comment section. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like what you heard, because all we do is bring you everything you need to know right now about food stamps, EBT, and everything in between. So we want to grow our following. We want a lot of people to know about this channel. So help us do that by hitting the subscribe and like button. Until I see you in the next video, thank you for watching.